Toyota Alphard, nicknamed Gantu, a family car from over 10 years ago, now in a terrible state, with every part aged and worn out. We will refurbish it from this to this, and this. First, dismantle it thoroughly.
Everything is dismantled and waiting for renovation.
That was too shallow. Give the wheel a good turn. Oh, that just scared me to death. This time the leak was serious.
Everything completely stripped out. Years of accumulated grime must weigh several pounds. Clean the undercarriage.
Clean every corner thoroughly, rinse well, then spray with anti-rust paint.
Inside the car is no exception. Everything is thoroughly cleaned.
All right, now it's a long waterlogged car.
I won't let even a screw pass through the defense. Screw classification, dry ice cleaning reality.
After cleaning, rewrap and replace all the aged wire ends. Undergo electrical and chemical dust removal. Completely disassemble and clean the air conditioning system, ensuring every corner is thoroughly cleaned without leaving stains. The air conditioning system harness also needs to be cleaned. Laser rust removal. Engine disassembly. The maintenance condition is average. Let's push and disassemble to see if there are any surprises underneath. The chain plates are all in place. Continue disassembling. The intake port is full of carbon deposits. 82 years soaked in lubricant. This big cylinder head can be removed. The top of the piston is still okay. No major issues. Break everything apart, then clean it again with ultrasonic flames. Now let's watch as technician number 3 assembles this engine. After watching the video, you'll also learn how to assemble an engine.
Look at you, thinking you're so funny with your sarcasm. I want the engine to...
The car guard can be pushed over to change into new clothes.
The entire old paint of the car is completely sanded, the aged old paint needs to be sanded down, and then a layer of epoxy primer is sprayed on.
After applying the film, it can be moved into the dust-free paint room.
Coloring phase, the engine compartment needs to be sprayed all over, and the interior is no exception. A total of 2 layers of anti-slip and anti-tilt coating, followed by 2 layers of clear coat, making it shiny.
Do you think this is enough? If not, we'll spray it again. Do these pearls look rich enough? Does it look like we're going to make a fortune? The front and rear covers of the car doors must be shiny. They should be reflective like a mirror. Achieving a mirror finish is our strict standard at Anfeng. Alright, we can start reassembling. All the aged rubber strips are replaced with new ones. The gun is empty. Make sure to clear every corner. Even car dealers shake their heads when they see it, and when replacing the soft rubber sleeve, it must be done in a hard style. The soft rubber sleeve is not tight and is more durable.
According to the original factory standards, properly install the steering knuckle. The thread wheel alignment must also meet the original factory standards.
Adjust according to the original factory data. Alright, you can go for a test drive now.
Whether a car is good to drive depends entirely on whether the chassis is solid. It feels stable on bumpy roads, and testing it on long straight runs can better check for any unusual noises in the overall frame. Outdoor inspection of the appearance is necessary to see if the overall look is bright enough. Achieving a mirror effect is Anfeng's strict standard. The full vehicle road test is also crucial. Attach the original factory label